Hi fellow forex trader, glad to come your way again. I would like to show you how to trade profitably with this particular strategy that I've put together for MetaTrader 5 forex trading platform. Though these particular indicators can be used on the MetaTrader 4, but this is not MetaTrader 4 version. This is meant for MetaTrader 5, and if you load it on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader is not going to work because it is not meant for it. This is MT5 indicators. Now let me show you how I use these particular tools to win consistently on a daily basis. Anytime I have a privilege to see to my systems, I do use this particular strategy, and I'll show you the history of this account because I've been using this particular strategy to trade profitably on this particular MetaTrader 5 account. Now on my screen you can see that I have a few indicators. Here I have the white indicator, the yellow indicator under does the same thing, so there's no need of sharing this particular indicator, the yellow one. But the white indicator, and I have a moving average indicator here. Here is a stochastic indicator to trade profitably too. Now let me show you how I combine all these indicators together. Number one thing I look out for, irrespective of the time frame you want to trade, is this stochastic indicator. It's the first thing I look out for. I'm going to show you the setting in the course of this trading. Just make sure you follow me closely. This MetaTrader 5, make sure you check stochastic indicator. If it is in overbought or oversold zone, you have the demarcated line that I have here, the 10, 20, 50, 80 and 90. So I look out to sell on when it is in overbought zone, and the oversold zone I look out for a buy, sell at the overbought, then buy at the oversold zone. And you can do this on higher time frame. If you want to scalp on lower time frame, make sure you check this particular strategy on higher time frame, and let me do that quickly. This is gold, and let's check it on the M30. On M30 we have a sell signal generated here. This was the first cross at this particular zone for a set signal, and what I'm going to look out for, I'm going to look out for this indicator to turn to red for a sell, and I'll be waiting for the arrow to appear. The arrow does not appear once the candle closes. Just allow the candle to close, and it's not going to disappear. Allow this particular candle to close. So once I have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point, I have this sell indicator, the confirmation here, then I'll go back to lower time frame to only trade in the direction of that higher time frame. Go back to 1 minute time frame, and the only thing I'll be doing is to sell in that particular direction. Every other buy, I'm not going to take it. This is how I do this profitably. Let's check this on Euro Australia dollar. Still the same methodology. Here is our H4 time frame, and if you check, we have a set signal here. This was the first place it crossed, but we do not have a confirmation here until this particular point. We have the red arrow, and it did delivered. Here we have a buy arrow at this particular point. We are not going to take this particular trade. This is invalid. This is not coming from the oversold zone, and so this is invalid signal. And another best points to enter is this particular point. We have all the indicators in agreement, and this was continuation, and this remained down till now. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Just check it on higher time frame. You can use it directly on higher time frame, but if you want to scalp, just make sure you scalp in the direction of this higher time frame. If you want to scalp, you go back to lower time frame, like 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, all depends on you, and scalp in that direction, and that's the only thing you are going to do on lower time frame. So this is how to use these indicators that have combined together so that you can use it profitably on meta trader 5. And if you want to scalp on 1 minute time frame, you can use you can check the direction on the 15-minute time frame, then go back to 1 minute time frame and only scalp in the direction of this higher time frame, as we have it here on 15 minutes here. So you go back to 1 minute time frame, you are going to trade, take only by setup, and you can see it. This is where we have this cross on lower time frame at this particular point. So the only trade you are going to take is just buy. So this is how to use this profitably. This is Euro Australia dollar. You can use this particular strategy to trade anything you want to trade, as long as you have it on meta trader 5. You can use it on gold, on indices, on crypto. So here is it on the gold. It's still the same methodology, just check it on higher time frame what you want to trade. And here is gold on 15-minute time frame. Just make sure you check it out, make sure the signal are in agreement, all the indicators, before you go on to place your trade. It must be in agreement. And let's check it on 5-minute time frame. So it's still the same methodology, just make sure you use it profitably. On H1, you can see it on H1, H4, D1. Just make sure you allow all the indicators to be in agreement before you place your trade. You find out I've traded this gold a lot of time, and you can see it here. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. You go to indicators list. I have this uptrend indicator. These are the values here. This yellow indicator that I said it is of the same, they work alike with the red indicator, so there's no need to use the two. So the yellow color, these are the inputs. Then the Ikinashi candle, this is what I use. This is just the candle color. Then support demand zone, we have this indicator here where the market may likely turn. That's what I use it for, but it is not 100% accurate. No system is 100% accurate, but you must know how to manage your trade. Money management is very important in forex trading. So these are the values for this particular indicators, and these are the colors. Then I have this amplitude trend indicator. As you can see, it's almost the same thing with the uptrend indicator, the yellow arrow here. So these are the colors and these are the inputs. They have the moving average. I have on the chart is just moving average 20. This is further confirmation for my trade. Once I see all these indicator are in agreement, this cross at this particular amplitude indicator cross at this particular point, this help me for further confirmation. That is what I use the MA indicator for, but you might not add it, but I do use it for further confirmation. Then the stochastic indicator on my chart, I use 39.9. Then price with high, low, then apply to simple. This is what I use. The under indicator here, I didn't show it because it is not important, and that's why I didn't show it on the chart. So all these indicators will give you accurate result if you follow money management well. So this is what I use, and this is what I'll be using on my Meta Trader 5 account. So let me show you my result for this particular account. I'll be using only these indicators on this account, and it has been delivering. This is live account, not a demo account. So as you can see here, these are the results of this particular account. I'm showing you the whole history for this particular account. You can see deposit is just $260. The profit so far is $1,181. I started this account in August. Let me check the date. August 25th, and the result is amazing. So this is what I use. So the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. Till I come your way again, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. You can share this particular video with any of your friends that are into forex trading, and this one we do them well. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. As I said in my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and trade profitably on them. Start with demo account first before you go live. Do not add any fund to demo account. Don't just say because it is 1,000 free money or dollar or 10,000 you started with, and you are going to start with $10,000, $1,000. If you cannot afford to add $1,000 to your live account, there's no need adding $10,000 to your demo account and accepting it. That doesn't make sense. Just make sure you deposit with the exact amount you think you'll be able to start with on your live account. This will make you a better forex trader. You'll be disciplined because you know you are going to be trading with that exact amount of money. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.